Hi, welcome to the My UPC Finder video tutorial, Options and Available Retailers Views. Today we'll be covering what options you can update to personalize My UPC Finder and what the Available Retailers view is. Let's get started. So for the options view, you don't actually need to be on any particular website in order to get to the options. You just need to click on the My UPC Finder extension. It's okay if it says there's no retailer found or anything like that. We're not going to be using this section at all for the options. You come down here and click on the little cog icon for options. That will take you over to the extensions option view. Here we have a couple different sections, user info with first name. This currently is not used for anything. I thought I was going to use it for something up front, and I have not yet. So you can enter your name. It's just not really going to do anything. And then the second section here is the theme color. And this allows you to change the overall color of the My UPC Finder extension. I have 8 different colors preset in here. We have green, black, white, blue, red, pink, yellow, and gray. So if you go and you can just click on any of these different colors, whichever one you want. I'll switch it to red here just to show you what it does. And then the next section down is your button permissions, and these are the 3 buttons that you saw on the home view that allow you to use the UPC in a search for Amazon, eBay, and Brickseek. These checkboxes turn those on and off, and you can turn off all of them, one of them, or whatever combination you want to see on the home view when you look up a UPC. That's what those buttons do there. And the last one, which we'll cover in a later tutorial here, is the Kohl's calculator settings. You can either set these settings here in the options view, or there's another place that will show you where to set those in the home view as well. But once you've set all your different permissions and settings, you can come down here to the very bottom and click the Save button. And that is going to save your settings. So you can tell right off the bat that the theme color changed to red, and that's evident by all these background colors changing from blue to red. And those will show up in your extension right away as well. So if we go back over here and click on the extension, you can see now your theme color has changed to red. The other thing I'll do real quick is I'll just go ahead and we'll just turn off Amazon and Brickseek, and we'll leave eBay there, and we'll click Save again. And if I go over to a product page and we look up the UPC, you can see that the only button left is the eBay button. So you can turn all those on or all those off or any combination, and that will work. The other setting we have, or button we have in here in the options, is the set to default button, and all this does is reset all the settings back to default colors and default options. So if you click set to default, you'll notice that it'll automatically save, and it enables the green color and enables all your buttons again. And we can see that if we go back over here that those have been changed. So that's the options view. The other view we wanted to go over today was the available retailers view, and this has some pretty basic functionality in it. What we've done is taken the list of retailers that I have settings for on the back side of the extension. So basically, the retailers that we can look up a UPC for right now are listed here with their logo in alphabetical order. So anytime we update that list, this list will automatically update as well. Each one is hyperlinked to that retailer's website. So for instance, if you click JCPenney here, it's going to just take you, it's going to open a new tab. It's going to take you to the JCPenney website. So you can start searching for deals there as well. So again, that will update as we add more retailers that we can find the UPCs for on their websites. Some retailers you won't be able to do this with because the retailer has blocked the ability to see the manufacturer UPC from the front end of their website. For instance, Bed Bath & Beyond is currently like this. They don't have the UPC readily available for this extension to be able to see on the website, so it can't actually grab that UPC. So there are some retailers like that, but if there is a retailer in this list that you don't see, that you'd like to see, feel free to either message me on Facebook, or there's an email link here in the above the retail list of retailers that you can email me directly as well. That's probably a better way to go, because what I've been finding out with Facebook is if you're not friends with me, then the messages go to a separate folder that I may or may not check on a regular basis. So it's safe to shoot me an email, though. I do check those every couple hours, so I can get back to you pretty quickly. Turnaround time right now on adding retailers just depends on the complexity of the retailer and how much time it takes me to figure out how to get the UPC off their website. But that's it for this video. Again, if you do have any questions, feel free to email me, message me on Facebook, and we also do have a support page at myupcfinder.com/support.html. Thanks.